Good evening, boys and ghouls. Welcome to today's project. Today's project, you will need a container like this, some kind of clear hose or tubing. There we go. You're going to need a hose like that. We're going to need a pump that can actually go in the water and be submerged. Expander foam, a few colors of spray paints, and highlighters. And of course you can't forget a Rick costume and a skeleton. This is Rick and Morty science table. I am going to let everybody know I was trying to find a Morty costume. I couldn't find one, so the only thing I could find was a mask. So I decided if I'm going to go with a mask, I'm going to put this in the portal like he's coming out and he killed Rick. And it's Evil Morty, of course. Cue the Evil Morty music. Sorry, I can't. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray paint the container black or any color you want, honestly. If you want to leave it clear, you can leave it clear, but I'm going to do a black on it. Okay, when you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Sorry you're hearing dogs. We own 4 of them and have a foster. That's what it's going to look like when it's done. Alright, now once you got the lid done, I had to cut a few holes in. One for the power cord for the pump right there, hose, and then a little bottle that I'm going to have going in right here. Now everybody, now we're waiting for the paint to dry, so cue Tom Petty's Wait is the hardest part. Alright, we are rolling again. Once you're done with the painting, we're going to go ahead and get it set up like this on the table. Sorry everybody, just taking the mask off. I may start wearing that in my videos though. Why not? We're ready to fill this up with water and start using the glow sticks to make it glow water and get it closed up and all that, and the wires ran. So that's the next little step to this project. Stay tuned. Hang on, it ain't working. Okay, I got these small highlighters, but what you need is you need to break them apart and grab the inners of them to make the glow water. You just soak them in and kind of just use your finger to wring them out. Warning, don't wear white, you're going to stain it, you're going to stain your hands, so wear gloves if you prefer to. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Alright, lift it up. Thank you. You see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of getting these ink tubes, or whatever you want to call them, in the water and just smishing them up like this. And I don't know if you can turn. Yeah, you can see the water turning green right there. That's good.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and pause, babe. Thank you, by the way. You didn't pause it. Alright, get it to the consistency of the color you want. I went about 30 highlighters, maybe 40. But they're small highlighters, as you can tell. Some of the excess ink from the highlighters, I went ahead and splattered down on our skeleton Rick here. Remind you, this is going to be for a black light, so if you're doing glow water, that's what you're probably going to do too. If you want to splatter them, go ahead. That's up to you. I'm making it look like he's dead and something went wrong, so definitely a splatter. And once you have it all done like that, now you're getting ready to put the lid on and put the hose through. And I got a little bottle that it's going to empty out and funnel down into the reservoir. So I'll show you when finished. Okay, this is what we got so far. The tubes will be standing up somehow. I'm trying to figure out a way to make them stand up. But I think I'm going to go in this and we'll start back either tonight on part 2 or tomorrow on part 2. Till next time, everybody. Say goodbye, Rick. Bye, Morty.